The system is very impressive. The spatial positioning of the components is very nice. The speakers are set up quite well. You can localize every aspect of the movie within the room. The bass management was quite excellent. There was no vibrations, but you always felt it.
It's quite impressive, especially in terms of dynamic and localization.
Yeah, I think the system was very precise and very detailed and accurate. And I especially liked all the speakers at the heights, how many they used here in this setup. You can actually hear that very good.
For me, Trinnov is kind of opinion leader in this market because they're the most innovative company in the market. They are, how do you say in English, they're not compromising. Not compromising in the sense of what is cheaper to build, and maybe sometimes it's this Pareto, you just spend 20% and you get 80%. This is what the mass market does, and Trinnov is not doing this. Trinnov is spending 100% to get 99%, and that's great.